So I'm watching this and I had this fish. You hear that voice? This is she. So, Chip Peckle, if you see in this video, please follow me. I also following you. Look. Hmm? Why it's not backing? Sorry, it's not backing. Anyway, this is my
Bring me back to the village. Bring me back. What do you mean? Bruce, we got Ender Eyes.
so that's my favorite. Wally is dead in the game. In the game. Sheep Peckle is dead. Wow, Clevis is so cool. Sorry, I'm from Philippines. She fell in the wood. Bruh. Hmm? Ayoko to. Bye-bye. 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 Cucumber duck. So, subscribe to me.